Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all keeping well. In this one I'm going to be unboxing the 2021 Balea Advent Calendar. I'm quite excited to find out what kind of products we have for this year. Now I bought this one here online from DM and I paid for the calendar myself, of course. So let's go ahead and start unboxing with door number 1, which happens to be right here. I'm quite excited to find out, you guys. Let's go. All right, in door number 1 we have a body lotion. So the theme for this is magic is in the air. So yeah, body lotion. This is our first product right there. You can never have enough body lotion, so this is wonderful. And I do love the fact that actually, you know, the box itself matches the color on the product. That's very interesting already. I like that. All right, first product, body lotion. Door number 2, we have it right here. Looks like a medium door. Oh, okay. Hello. That is empty. Looks like it may have fallen down there. So door number 2, we have a food product, which is of course this one right here. That was in door number 2. All right, moving on to door number 3, which I see right here. Oh, okay. So you guys, somehow I feel like the products are just falling from the top right there, because here we have 2 products. You can see we have this one and we have another one. So it's supposed to be a lip balm in door number 3. Yeah, the product is just falling from the top to the bottom, which is quite interesting. That shouldn't happen, but anyway, here we have a lip balm. Moving on to door number 4, if I can find it up here. So hopefully we have a product. See what I mean? Thing just keeps on falling. That shouldn't happen. Okay, so this is in door number 4 and we have a winter shampoo. This one right here. Lovely. I love the sound of that winter shampoo. Oh, smells lovely. I like that. Okay, all right, move on to door number 5 right here. All right, door number 5, we have a shower cream. All right, moving on to door number 6. It's right here. So door number 6, we have a close for the mask, which of course looks like this. Wonderful. All right, let's move on to door number 7. Oh, it's a small door. Okay. Oh, what do we have here? Q10 night cream. Oh, nice. I know I use a lot of these from NIVEA, but I've never tried the one from Balea, so I'm quite excited to try this one here. All right, it's a winter night cream. I like that. All right, door number 8. And we have 2 products in door number 8. So we have a body butter from door number 8, which is very interesting. Let me open it and have a look. Oh, okay. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells really good. Wow. Okay, I'm excited about that one. All right, let's move on to door number 9. This one is already open. It's a product from the top. My goodness me. Okay, door number 9. It's right here. And this is going to be empty. Oh my goodness me. Really? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that actually every door there's a message. Door number 9 is empty, which means one of these products was in door number 9. We have the 2-in-1 wash gel, and you can use this one here to remove your makeup as well. So that is the one in door number 9. Of course, it just fell down from the top, so yeah, that is that. All right, let's move on to door number 10. Okay, is everything just falling down? I don't understand. Oh man, I have to look for this. Oh, could this be the one? Ah, yes. Wow, it fell down all the way to number 3. That's very interesting. Anyway, so for door number 10, we have a, what is it? It's a conditioner, which of course looks like this. That's in door number 10. Cannot wait to definitely use it. It smells nice. It smells lovely. I can tell you that for sure. All right, let's move on to door number 11. Everything is just all over the place over here. Oh, we have a pineapple picture on the door. So it says it's a product for the feet. All right. So this is supposed to be a foot butter. Okay, so a cream for the feet. This smells very interesting. Very interesting scent. Not bad though, not bad. Smells a bit fresh. All right, moving on to door number 12, I believe. Yeah. Okay, this is gonna be one of the empty doors. Yeah, that is empty indeed. It may have fallen down. All right, you guys, I found the product for door number 12. It was one of those that fell down, and this is a day cream with SPF 15. I cannot wait to use it. I'm quite excited. Oh, that smells lovely. Oh my goodness me, that smells really, really lovely. All right, so that's in door number 12. Let's move on to door number 13. Hopefully there's something in here. Yay, we have something in here, you guys. All right, let's have a look. We have 2 products in here. Oh my goodness me, something may have just have fallen down. Okay, so we'll keep the other one for another door because we have 2 products in one door. Okay, so door number 13, we have a salt peeling product over here that you can use, of course, in the bath, you know, which is quite lovely. I don't really use this a lot, so I'm quite excited to give it actually a try. Oh, right here, that's right in front of me, and it is empty. So it is again one of the products that fell down. Let's find out. We're having a shower cream, you guys, in door number 14, and this one has orange flavor in it. Ooh, cannot wait to try it. That smells so fresh. Very fruity, by the way. I love that. All right, cannot wait to give it a try. Moving on to door number 15. Number 15, we have a hand cleaning spray. Okay, that looks like this. All right. That smells not too bad. Door number 16. It's just here. And we have the empty door. Unless it fell down. Oh yeah, here we go. I found it. Oh, this calendar is very interesting. You guys, things are just like falling. Why is that? Is that like the way they designed it? I don't know. This is my first time unboxing this, so I'm quite confused. If you have unboxed this one in the past, please let me know. Is this the situation always? Because this shouldn't happen at all. All right, so we have eye cream, of course, in door number 16, which looks like this. It is a tiny tube. We're getting 10 milliliters of product, but yeah, eye cream. We shall definitely be testing this. Okay, I cannot smell anything on that one. All right, moving on to door number 17. Yeah, up here, if there's any product in there. have a product in here. Yay! What is this? Door number 17. Oh, okay. We have a glove here that you can use actually for scrubbing the body. Oh, I like this one here. I like the idea of this. You know, you can use your body scrubs and go ahead and scrub the whole body. This is great. I love something like this. I use, you know, very similar to this a lot every time I do like a body scrub. Moving on to door number 18 up here. And we have something, you guys, in door number 18, and this one is a hair product which looks like this. Wonderful. Door number 19, right at the corner here. So door number 19, we have a shower cream which looks like this. So we are getting quite a few shower creams in here. Okay, and they all seem to be the same size, 50 ml of product. All right, another shower cream, and this one it says aroma shower cream. All right, let's move on to door number 20. Oh, all right, so door number 20, we have a face mask. Nice. All right, I always use a lot of face masks, so this is a great that we have it in here. I cannot wait to try it. So door number 21, we have something for the shower, like a bubble bath. We can make a bubble bath out of this, which is quite wonderful. All right, I usually do this like on the weekend, you know, fill up the bath and, you know, do some bubbles. It smells nice. So 22, we have a hand and nail balm. Okay, this is handy. I do use a lot of this usually, you know, for my nails and for my hands. So 2-in-1 sounds amazing. Cannot wait to try that one. Moving on to door number 23, I believe. Yes, right here. That is empty. So 23 is supposed to be what? Let's find out. So it's the one that fell down. Yeah, we found it. So door number 23, we have a hair mask over here, which is quite lovely. Looks like this. I do use those quite, you know, quite a bit actually. I cannot wait to try it. All right, moving on to the last door. The last door, 24, right here. Okay, so it fell down. I remember taking it before. Okay, so this product here, I was like, what happened? It fell down before when I was opening door number 14, I believe. So we have this product right here, which happens to be a hand warmer, I suppose. Looks like this. Those are all the products that was included in this Balea Advent Calendar. I mean, I do like the selection of products that they have included in here. This is my first one from them, unboxing obviously, but I'm not really sure what happened, why the product just keeps on, you know, falling down from the top down. I think they need to design the box a little bit, you know, more better in a way so that the products stay in the door and I don't have to look, you know, on this piece of paper here to see which is which, because usually this is supposed to be like, you know, I don't have to look on this one, because I was looking on this one to find out which product is which. Usually I prefer not to see this because I want everything to be like a surprise when I open the door. So yeah, I'm hoping next year it's going to be like a better design when it comes to the box. But overall, when you talk about products, I think I do like the selection, and I'm excited to give this Kusiyo a try. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a like, of course, and yeah, share the video with somebody who loves advent calendar unboxing. There'll be more to come in the future, and I shall catch you all wonderful people on my next video. Bye for now.